How to activate eBay Mastercard Online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your eBay Mastercard Online. In order to do so, you will need to visit the official website of eBay Credit Card, which is managed by Synchrony Bank. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here type in ebaymastercard.syf.com. This is the official URL of eBay Mastercard. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of eBay Mastercard. Once you reach the official website, here you'll be able to see this login interface. Now here you just need to simply scroll a bit down and at the bottom you'll be able to see I want to activate my card. Simply click on this activate link and then you will be taken to a new page. In this page, here you'll be able to see this interface where you will need to enter the card details and personal information in order to complete the activation process. In this first text box, here you will need to enter your card number. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once after entering your card number, now enter the security code which you can find at the back side of your card. Once after entering your security code, now you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once after entering it, review all the details and then click on this activate my card button. After that, you will need to follow the additional instructions to complete the activation process. And once your card is activated, you can start using your card for the purchases. So this is how you can activate your eBay Mastercard online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.